this is Pranav Guha Thakurta from EduTV. Today, we are with the famous Dr. Dhamdhere, Dr. Rupali Dhamdhere. She is a principal of Trinity International School and Junior College, Pune. Ma'am, welcome. Ma'am, as this was a different year, it was a mix of pandemic, technology, people got used to technology pretty fast. So, what are your views on the changing landscape in education?
Education changed a lot with the beginning of 2020. Definitely, I would say that. And when 2020 began, like every usual year, we all had our resolutions in place with a little, knowledge about we are going to be thrown into a very different kind of a situation all of a sudden. And it was not only to a particular area or to a particular country, the entire world, came to a certain standstill all of a sudden. And come March, we suddenly were facing our new challenge, as in we were at home and we did not know what to do. And yes, there was panic all over. And but we, being humans, we are innovators, and we learn to survive, and we are survivors. So we learned to beat that situation as well. We came up with technology was already there, but I think it was not so aggressively used earlier. Today it is very, very aggressively used, I feel. And actually I feel uh, this year was a year of opportunities, because it has got the entire world so close together. Yes,
Correct.
we always say that the world is a very small place, and but it has got us much more closer than what we were. And today, like, sir, you and me, I don't know where we are placed, but
Correct.
we could connect so fast at an instant. And we are on with our discussion, and we are connecting to I don't know how many people around.
Correct.
So the situation has changed, and the NEP also had to come in this year itself.
Right.
So it took us, I think, 30 plus years to change our policy. But yes, welcome to the NEP, because it is throwing a lot of light on the different aspects, more on the skills what we should acquire, and taking our children more towards the skill development. We are shifting our focus from measuring each child with the same scale to understanding the potential and the talent that each child has. So I think, yes, if considered, this has been a year of opportunities. I would not call it, a pandemic or things like that. It
Right.
was not a setback. Initially, yes, we all did struggle, but I think we came out with a bang, and we've done wonders for ourselves.
Wonderful, wonderful. I would like to take your advice for the students who are writing their class 12th examination in 2021. The students are quite confused. Parents, especially of the middle class families, working class families, they are in a dilemma. Will the exams happen? Will the entrance exams happen? Will their kids get admissions in universities? Will universities run? Or there will be online courses? And will the like students will be able to go abroad? So, what are your advice for the student? How should they tackle this situation?
2021, yes, we all are looking at it with a lot of hope again. And we all are, though, yes, we have found out our ways to tackle with 2020. Still, 2021 gives us a lot of hope, where we are wanting to still come back to our normal, I would say, the normal that was earlier. Now,
Right.
our new normal is virtual. So
Right.
getting back to our normal with getting face to face with each other. And yes, the exams would happen. And even I think all of us are looking towards children actually coming and writing the exams. That would even give them that kind of satisfaction that yes, they have appeared for the boards, and it is an important turning point in their lives. Yes, definitely. But we are looking at coming back to normal in a very, very gradual manner, though. And I think they will be given ample time to prepare, and to have a good mindset and have a positive mindset to actually go to the exam hall and write the exam.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, ma'am.